Welcome to the Art of Marx Trains, Part 9. I just got back from an extended Labor Day weekend, and we were east of the Cascades, and a friend of mine found a train set in this champagne box at a garage sale. And of course it is Marx, and I haven't done anything to it yet, so let's pull it out of the box. We'll start with the locomotive, and it is an 1829 with smoke. Looks like it's missing wheels on the trailing truck, but the valve gear is all there. I don't see any brakes. Pilot's intact, everything looks good. All right. Next is a tender. Santa Fe style G trucks. No broken steps. That's good news. Okay, freight cars. Got the PFE reefer. Opening doors. And again, style G trucks. You know, it's a little yellowed, but it's not broken. Looks good. Virginian hopper in brown. Style G trucks. There's a couple of signs in there, which I assume are from the set. They're both uncoupled here. Looks like there's some switches in the bottom of the box, so that probably makes sense. Let's take a quick look at the hopper. No brakes, just a little dust. Next freight car. City service double tank car. Let's check this out. I don't see any brakes. Really good condition. These two cars aren't rare, but they don't come along every day either. Really nice. Okay. And we have an auto loader. Style G trucks. No brakes, but it looks like the cars have had a little tough time. The van looks really good. There's a post missing out of the yellow car. Top missing out of the dark green car, as well as wheels. And this car is now convertible. All right, no more cars. Oh, there is a Tootsie toy in there, kind of rough. And there's the caboose. Bay window, which are nice. However, this one has a crack, as you can see on this side. The roof's all good, missing the antenna and the smokestack. Seems like that's always the case. And a crack on this side. So let's see if we can't glue that together. Find the missing wheels and put this on the track. While we're in the box, there's a couple of bumpers, non-illuminated. The silver gray with the red top. And the transformer is a 1549. It's got the circuit breaker, and it's got the accessory terminals. And the cord is nice and soft. There's a bunch of wire in there. That wire looks like it might be, at least the switch wire is original, and a bunch of 5-tie track. So let's clean this up, find the missing wheels, and glue that caboose back together. Bay window cabooses are held together with a screw on each end. We'll take that apart first, just so you can see the crack goes all the way along the bay window on both sides. None of the plastic is missing, so we might be able to glue it together without much problem. Steps aren't broken off. The roof walk is not broken off. But I think I saw, oh yeah, both ends have cracks on the corners. But again, no plastic missing, so might come out okay. I'm going to start with repairing the sides, and I use a liquid cement. Right now I've got a bottle of Marx, and this is a plastic welder. It's got a brush in the bottle, it's real thin, and what it's going to do is I'm going to brush right along the crack. It soaks in and just welds it back together, and since it's on a seam or a crease, it shouldn't be that noticeable. So I'll give it a try. While I'm waiting for the caboose shell to dry, I came back and noticed that the red, black, and green wires, there's two of them, are original Marx wires for switches. The green, yellow, and brown look suspiciously like trailer wiring, so we'll set that aside. There's the 5-tie track. There's a uncoupler in here and a couple of 027 switches. That's right. Oh, control panel. And some 034 curves, piece of steel wool, and another midget toy. Oh, Tootsie toy, I mean. The wheel for that's down on the bottom. And good news, there are 8 wheels here in the pile from the bottom of the box. 4 little wheels are for the rear truck of the 1829, and these 4 black wheels are for the caboose frame. And there's 2 axles, longer axles for the caboose frame, and I believe this goes with those. I'll have to find another one of those, and that'll be that. Down in the Marx parts bin, I've got a black smokestack and a black antenna. I get these from Robert Grossman Company, so that'll be a good addition. And next we'll look for some axles. Here's the axle bin. I'll just dig in here until we find one that's about 1 3/4. The bay window caboose cleaned up really nicely. Got the antenna and the smokestack installed. You can see there's some just minor cracks on the top of the roof. Everything is strong. Everything is locked together really well. There's the Virginia hopper, the autoloader that has some broken cars, the twin tank car, the reefer, the tender, and I spent a little more time than I wanted to on the 1829. It had a bad armature, but we got that soldered up. Got the weights installed, the smoke works, the headlight works. Let's give it a run. Wow, this is a great set. The 1829 has smoke, headlight, It only goes forward, so the reverse unit will need some repair so that it can go backward. Tender. The whole set's really great. Have to get some replacement cars. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.